Oh! Oh! Love it, love it, love it!
Hello, this is your television speaking. Let's push the button marked idiot and see what comes out.
Well, welcome to another video, my little yakety yaks, and yes, I realise this video I'm about to react to is definitely a few months old, but given one of the comments I noticed on a previous video I talked about, which was the decline of the DCEU, it is going to be erased. No more Batman, no more Superman, but we're making way for the agenda. So what this comment addressed was, if we can't watch anything else going forward, we might as well go backwards and appreciate what was done before then. So in fact, this channel, BatInTheSun, not to be confused with Robert BatInTheSun, if you get my drift, it's been around for quite a while, and what they do crowd-funded superhero showdowns with your favorite superheroes, just duking it out. So this one is Black Widow versus Black Canary. I haven't seen this before. I've only done one reaction to this channel before, which was Batman dying isn't easy, which was great. That was last year, so I'll put a link into that one if you want to see. But without further ado, folks, let's just get on with this reaction, and I'll say some things afterwards. Here goes. Black Widow versus Black Canary. Oh yeah. It's a good opening shot, actually.
Ты неплохо играешь карты.
Ты даже себе не представляешь.
Так, где мы остановились?
Но ты нес какую-то чушь, а я делала вид, что мне интересно.
Oh no! Well, I could think of worse ways of dying. Sleep well, Ty Prince.
Okay, Dinah. The target is on the 4th floor.
Oh, that's Barbara Gordon. And this is Cammy from Street Fighter? Just kidding.
She's moving southwest towards the elevators.
Wow. God damn, man. This is Black Widow. Holy shit. And that's comic book accurate Dinah from Birds of Prey. Ooh. Yeah, run. Run! Great reaction. Love it, love it.
She's in the stairwell. I just lost eyes on her.
What, the only camera? Come on. Time for the ultimate bitch fight. Oh! Okay, first round goes to Canary. Damn. Okay, no guns, just use your long legs. Oh.
Come on, Dinah.
Damn. Don't ever ask that question. Oh. No, your makeup's good, hun. Oh, here we go. Oh, yes, come on. Oh, the wall run is sick. Okay. Oh, yep. Liking the deflections. This is good. I love it. I love this. Oh! Oh! Love it, love it, love it! Actually deflects the bullets! Oh,
Dinah!
oh no! Who's gonna wake up? I love the shield. That's so good. Oh, yep, she wakes up. She wins the round. Wow. Oh, that is really, really cool. I love that.
Да пошла ты.
Oh, man.
I'm Aaron, the director.
I'm Tatiana. I played Black Widow.
And Tess Keelhammer.
Tatiana, will you marry me, please? Wow.
This was so close. We had 51% for Black Widow and 49% for Black Canary.
It was actually equal for a while. It was 50-50 for
I didn't know who was going to win. We kept checking and we kept checking. But if you guys want to watch the alternate ending where Black Canary wins, be sure and subscribe to our Patreon, which is patreon.com/BatInTheSun, or click the link below. You can also vote on...
Oh, yeah. Hoo-ah! Yeah, I'm going to definitely subscribe to Patreon for sure. Aaron Shonker, the guy on the right, obviously, he's the man who founded BatInTheSun. It's got 2.5 million subscribers, but you know what? When you talk about people who say, well, that outfit in that film wasn't comic book accurate. Well, look, I mean, this is the problem you're going to get with Disney and Marvel and the MCU and even DC and Warner Brothers right now, which is insane. You're never going to get an outfit that you're happy with. You get some exceptions like Ben Affleck's Batman outfit in the Zack Snyder films, and Henry Cavill's Superman outfit was pretty good. I understand they've got Superman in this series, so I cannot wait to see how they've dressed that person up. But honestly, what I really loved about this showdown, so in case you don't know, like the subscribers say who they want to win and who they want to lose. I'm not sure if they've ever had a 50-50 tie-in, but they probably have. I don't know, because I'm going to watch some more of these videos and make more reaction videos for you guys. But just to go through this really quickly, and I actually like what somebody said in the comments here as well, which is, I like how BatInTheSun uses stunt men and women instead of actors. Plus, they use the comic book accurate outfits that movie companies say would never work. Yet BatInTheSun makes it work and makes the best live action versions of these characters in all of the videos. Which is, oh, here we go. Magnus Marlowe says, you actually got a Russian woman to play Black Widow. Whoever is in charge of casting, they need a raise. Absolutely. You're so right. 49,000 people love this video. That is incredible. And, you know, this was just kick-ass, man. Like, all the makeup on here is just really well done. Yes, they're over made up a little bit, but that's the thing. I mean, when you look at the Scarlett Johansson, Natasha Romanoff, yeah, sorry, I'm more in favor of this version. I prefer this easily. The gauntlets on her wrists are fantastic. Yeah, I mean, this part here, I mean, the shield emblem on her outfit, that is so good. That's great 3D printing. It really is. And obviously the part that I really got jazzed up about is just before the car park, actually. I mean, yeah. Oh, here we go. Is it? Yeah. Oh, come on. Yeah. Oh, come on. Yeah. That bit is really great. I'm just getting to... Oh, yeah. The wall run is fantastic. I do like this bit. Look at that. No Wheezy feet. That is so good. I think that's practical effects anyway. I don't think they've actually added on those afterwards with After Effects. I'm pretty sure that's done in real time, but that is so good. And the action is pretty hard hitting. You would get that in a PG-13 superhero film, I suppose, but they kind of really go all out. Obviously, the outfits are pretty sexy. And of course, if you're talking comic book accurate outfits, and of course, you're going to have to bring on the sexy. Why not? That's what these fan films are all about. You're not going to get it in your corporate DC or Marvel fanfare, are you? Because, oh no, we can't do that. We might offend some people in the audience. Yet, when you go to a comic book convention, what do you see? Butt cracks. Normally, the men are at fault in those cases, and you got to shield your kids' eyes. Don't look, it's just too much. So I really love this, man. I mean, the only reason why I've done a reaction to this, because a friend of mine said to me, you need to watch the Superpower beatdowns. They're really good in terms of the comic book accurate outfits that the characters wear. The fact they even got a Russian actress stunt woman to play Natasha Romanoff is great. You know what? It made me laugh is because I thought, you know, they should probably get her to versus Liam Neeson's character, Brian Mills from the Taken movies, because, you know, Brian, you're not the only one with a special. So Brian, you're not the only one with a special set of skills. Oh yeah, I like Barbara Gordon here. I thought she's just really accurate. She looks really cool. Digging the glasses. She looks, yeah, she's smoking hot, man. Not afraid to say it. But yes, guys, that was a quick reaction to Black Widow versus Black Canary, superpower beatdown, courtesy of BatInTheSun, and I really enjoyed this today. If you enjoyed this reaction today, folks, hey, you know what to do already. Get that golden fist of fury and smack that subscribe button. Also, use your other fist and ram it into the like button, and I will see you on my next video reaction. See you later, ladies.